Nardini Logic 250G. Of course, it operates manually like a regular manual, and you can program this machine to run CNC. The ways are in great condition. Manual tailstock. Axes work very, very good. .3,000 RPM spindle. Manual functions. It's got a GE Fanuc Series 20T. Everything on the machine functions well. It's in great shape. Manual turret. 8-position manual turret. It also has a 3-jaw chuck with it and the 4-jaw chuck that is already mounted. Even the light works on the thing. It's really a good shaped machine. Nice lathe. Thank you.